today. Had some phone orders I had to take care of. Had a customer today bought from me 15 years ago. He was customer number 237. I'm now at 28,000 and change. That was kind of fun. So today is, I believe, the 18th of December. Yep. 69 degrees outside. That's quite incredible. 69 degrees. Wow. We're trying out a new camera today, our Insta360. I want to see if it can give me all the different angles without having to swap camera views all the time. So this is a kind of a test video. Ridge is doing awesome as usual. Love this machine. Sasha too. Kawasaki Flats. Takes us a half an hour to get here from our locations. We're in the Skull Valley area, which is below Prescott, lower altitude, though, so it's always a little warmer down here. That's why we like to come here, so get even warmer temperatures, usually 6-7 degrees warmer. Quite a beautiful day. Crazy to think Christmas is around the corner. Wow. Well, no one's been here in a while. Just our tracks. Lots of cow patties. Old miner shed here on the right. This is one fun trail. Do like these wheels and tires and spacers. Makes it so much more stable. Right, Sash? Up here on the top, it's the old miners' village. Crazy to think there were people living up here at one time. Up here on the left and right hand side over here, there's some old foundations left over, remnants of wood and roofs and more cows. Got some cows here. On this ridge is pretty amazing. My buddy Tony comes here with his Can-Am and he's got to back up to make the turn. He is 14 feet long. I think I'm 12. Well, we're coming up to Kawasaki Flats. I'm gonna sit back, relax, have a cigar, have some lunch. It's amazing here in Prescott. So blessed to live here. So blessed. Well, that's my video for now. Hope you guys liked it. We will see you all on the next one.